The voices of Shakespeare. Lend me your ears.
Parents, Romans, and documents. We have heard the voices of kings and fools. We have seen daggers in his hands.
We have walked and dreamed and stored. To be or not to be? That is the question.
To be or not to be.
Whether
Whether is number in the mind of suffer, the keys and arrows of Aptitude's fortune.
out, thou spalt out, I said.
Out, out, great thunder.
Lord, but the walking
shadow, a fourth figure that stands and spreads his arm upon the stage. We are such stuff as dreams are made. Our little life rounded in space.
such stuff as dreams are made of.
Beware the Ides of March.
Beware, beware, beware.
Rise, up, and let's meet the dawn of God.
And yet the moonlight sleeps upon the ground, and thus that looks not with the eyes but with the mind. Zoom gale gale gale, zoom gale gale, 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 zoom gale gale gale, zoom.
So hold as this, the mirror of the nature. Speak the speech, we pray you.